Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have essentials ready: power, water, sorted laundry, and correct detergent. First, open the door and load garments loosely so they can tumble. Next, measure detergent per load size and water hardness. Pour into the marked drawer compartments. Once done, close the door firmly and turn the program knob to a suitable cycle, delicate for fine fabrics, cotton for regular loads. Make sure the water tap is still open and the drain hose is on. You now fine-tune the wash. Choose temperature and spin speed according to care labels. Lower temperatures save energy and protect colors. If garments are heavily soiled, add per wash or raise soil level. Otherwise, skip extras to save time. Set a delayed start if you need off-peak washing, but make sure to use the right detergent for cold cycles. Once settings look correct, press start and listen briefly. Steady water fill and rhythmic drum movement mean the cycle has begun properly. You're at the finish line. Wait for the end chime, then open the door and remove clothes promptly to prevent mildew and wrinkles. Shake and reshape items before air drying or tumble drying based on labels. For maintenance, run a hot tub clean cycle monthly with no laundry to clear residue. If the machine fails to start, first make sure the door is fully latched, the power fuse and sockets are okay, and the water tap is on. These quick checks solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.